The next asana we are going to learn is paschimottanasana. To do paschimottanasana, you basically sit in dandasana position. Then you grab your feet and make sure your toes are pointing inward and try to bend forward as much as possible. If you're having lower back pain, you should avoid this position at any cost because it will stretch your lower back a lot. If you are a working professional, this is a great posture for you. It will balance your posture and make sure it's much more better. So extend forward and bend and touch your head on the ground. Make sure your knees are not bent. If you're advanced, you can grab your toes. Try to touch your elbows on the ground. Inhale and come back. Always make sure as you go down you exhale, as you come back up you inhale. So the benefits of this asana, it acts on your belly fat, it reduces your belly fat, it increases your digestion, and it also elongates your spine, it extends your hamstring. So loads of benefit. If you are someone who's suffering from spinal issue, you should avoid this at any cost. Consult a physician or a healthcare professional before doing this push. If you're someone who has lower back issue, severe lower back issue, you can avoid this. General issue of general pain, general discomfort, this pose can resolve those things.